Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play solitaire with cards by yourself. To begin, you'll need a standard 52-card deck. First, shuffle the deck well. Then, deal 7 tableau piles across your playing surface. The first pile gets 1 card, the second 2, and so on, up to 7 cards in the 7th pile. Only the top card of each tableau pile should be face up. The rest of the deck forms your face-down stockpile. Now let's talk about moving cards. You can move cards between the tableau piles. The rule is simple. Move a card onto another card of the next higher rank and opposite color. For example, a red 5 can go on a black 6. When you move a card, reveal the face-down card beneath it. If a tableau pile becomes empty, you can only place a king in that space. The goal is to build 4 foundation piles, 1 for each suit, in ascending order from ace to king. You can move aces to the foundation as soon as they are available. Then, place a 2 of the same suit on the ace and so on. If you run out of moves in the tableau, draw cards from your stockpile. Typically, you draw 3 cards at a time, using the top one if possible. You win solitaire when all 52 cards are successfully moved to their respective foundation piles, built up from ace to king. A key strategy is to always try to reveal face-down cards in the tableau, as this opens up more possibilities. Try not to move kings to empty tableau spaces unless absolutely necessary, as this can limit your options. Always think a few moves ahead to plan your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.